Hi, Sally Hancock here with my June paper clip, a few days late, but I am going to make these ribbon flower paper clips here. So to do this, I have ribbon that is 1 inch wide. Go start from this end, and then you need 5 pieces, and I'm doing them 2.5 inches long. So you need 5 of them. Straighten them at one end and trim them to be all the same length. Okay, then let's get our needle and thread ready. Find the thread that sort of matches. This doesn't match very well, but it was the only yellow thread I could find. Oops, that didn't cut very well. There we go. And I found it easier if you doubled the thread. So let's see if I can see well enough to thread that up. Yep. And then make a pretty large knot, because I found the knot kept coming out. And so it was kind of hard at the end to gather. So make a pretty big knot. Okay, so, first we need to seal the edges. Okay, I'll try these fireplace matches. Bit of overkill, but to seal the edges you just singe it a little bit and it kind of melts. Then, ooh, smoky. Then you take your ribbon, and if you hold it, so this hand has the thumb on the bottom and this one has the thumb on the top, and then twist it so it's about even, and then fold it to the back. There is your petal. So turn it so that the fold is on the bottom. Come up, I need to hold that a little bit closer. Come up through the bottom, through both layers of your ribbon, and pull the knot tight. That's a messy knot. And then just do a running stitch through the bottom over, not a very good needle, here we go, and end going down through the bottom like that. Then you just leave it on like that, twist, fold back, and turn it over. And again, come up through the back and just do a running stitch through the both layers of the ribbon. And you just do that for all 5 petals. Once you have them all on your thread, turn them so they're all facing the same direction, and then pull the thread gently to gather them up. So you don't want to break your thread. Let's see, what have I got here? Which one's the end? There we go. Oops, that one's okay. And then you sew the two end ones together. I need to gather this one tighter than I did my last one because I have a smaller embellishment for the middle. Oh, this one worked much better than just sew those two at the end together. Oh dear, that one came out. Shoot. Well, hopefully it will be all right. Okay, so then turn it to the back and secure that end. I just cut it in half and then tied the two threads together a few times. And trim those threads. Okay, now I used just some fun foam and used my 1-inch circle cutter and cut out 2 pieces of that. It did not cut very well for some reason at one end. So I'll just trim that up with my scissors. Okay, so I have this red flower to put in the middle, so I think that will cover up the stitching nicely. So on the back, used my Fabri-Tac and just put some all around. Sorry about the noise. Somebody's doing fireworks. Okay, then just put that on like that. And this has a sticky, but I don't know how good it is. So I'll go ahead and put Fabri-Tac on this embellishment for the center as well. And you could use whatever you want for the middle, a gem, another flower, or whatever you would like. Okay, so to attach the paper clip, I want to do it right there. I'm going to use my Loctite Crafter's glue and make sure I'm putting it on there the right way. Just squeeze some right onto the paper clip and then squeeze some more all around. And then cover that with that second foam circle. Press that in good. Oh, looks like I got a little bit extra glue. And then this glue is supposed to sit for 24 hours. But that is it. So here's with a different embellishment in the center. So these are just resin flowers. But as I say, you could use a button, you could use a paper little flower, or gems would be pretty. So whatever you have around. So that is how you make a ribbon flower embellishment, and I just turned it into a paper clip. You could use it, the flowers, to embellish lots of things. You could make hair bows or things like that would be really cute too. So that's it. Thank you for watching.